Embrace the future of mobility and unlock your potential in the electric vehicle sector. Women bring diverse perspectives, innovation, and excellence to the automotive world. ISIE India provides hands-on workshops, empowering women with practical skills in the electric vehicle sector. Our mentorship programs connect aspiring women with industry experts, fostering knowledge exchange and skill development. Together, we drive change and shape the future of sustainable transportation. Empowerment leads to education, and education leads to excellence. Join ISIE India in uplifting women through education and skills. Together, let's drive progress. Shaping the future, empowering women. This Women's Day, ISIE India is proud to offer a special 50% discount to all the women on our electric vehicle courses. Don't miss out. Enroll now at isieindia.com and be a part of the electric vehicle revolution.